Just short of straw, I'm a baller. 20 of the spies are calling. When we let it slide, as you call.
Hi lovies, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am stuffing $235. This is going a little bit to bills, a little bit to sinking funds, a little bit to saving challenges, and I think I have to go into my mini wallet as well. So let's just get straight into it. This is the cash. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, so this is our cash. Let's see, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 is 210, 20, 35. So 235 is what we're stuffing today. How you guys doing? I see y'all down there in the comment section. I love you guys so much. Y'all are so funny, and you guys just keep my channel active and alive, and I'm so grateful for you guys. I appreciate the love and I appreciate the support so much. I can't tell you guys how much I appreciate all this. So let's get right into the stuffing today. We are not here to play around. We're just putting the money up, and because of how I earn my money, unfortunately this is not the last stuffing of April yet. I know it's April 22nd today. We still have a few more days left, and I still have a few more clients left, so we are going to have another stuffing, probably one or two more before April ends. But I will be sure to do a closeout, so you guys are gonna know exactly when April ended for me when I do the closeout video. So first we are going to go into the bills binder, and I don't know if you guys watched the previous video, but for bills the only thing that we needed to stuff was the rent, because we didn't get 100% of the rent yet for bills. So that's where we're going today, and we're going to add $80 to rent. Okay, so let's add $80 to rent. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so now for rent we have 50, 100, 150, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So that's what, 250, 280. So we have $280 in rent right now. We still have a way to go, but like I said, I do have a lot more clients left for this month, so that's where majority of the rent is gonna come from. So that's it for rent. That's all we have to do in the bills binder, and we're moving right along to high priority. So I do want to put up a little something in my high priority binder. Now you can put up however much you can. Like, don't feel like you have to go into high priority and put up $100. You got to go into high priority and put up $200. No, just put up whatever you can. Go with your own pace. Whatever you can do, whatever you can manage, just what you want to put up. So for high priority, we are going to add $20 to emergency. So in emergency right now we have 100, 200, 250, 300, 20, $360 for emergency. And we are not finished with high priority just yet. We are also adding $20 to savings. So we're adding our last 20 to savings. So in savings we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 470, 480. And that's what we got in our little savings. Savings. This is different from the savings challenge, as you guys can see. This is just another saving that I put in my high priority binder, because I just want to have savings all over the place, okay? Because I suck so bad with saving, and the fact that I'm able to put up so much money for saving is so amazing to me. I know it's not 10Ks in here, but whatever amount I have so far, it's like, it's a lot for me compared to what I used to do before. So let's jump into debt. In debt, we are adding $10 today. So let's see. So right now we add $10 to debt, make it $60 in debt. I did have to go into debt and pay debts that I had, so that's why debt kind of went down a little bit. But that's it for the high priority binder. Let's see what's next. Next we have our little wallet. Yes, I am going to add $30 for myself because I did have to spend my splurge money. So this little extra money that I got, I have to add a little 30 for myself so I don't be all the way out of cash, because right now I am very much out of cash. Very much. Whatever I plan to spend is done. So we're gonna add 30 into splurge, because it's not that I splurged with it, it's just that I had to do something very important that came up, so I kind of had to use my splurge money for that. So that happened. For sinking funds, we're going to jump into the sinking funds binder because we are going to add some sinking funds. So for Christmas, we are adding $5. Not bad. So right now in Christmas we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75. Christmas is like far away, guys, but I'm sure as we quint, as soon as we quint, Christmas is gonna be here like this. So I just want to be prepared, okay? I just want to be prepared. Next we have birthdays. We are adding something into birthdays. We are adding $10 to birthdays today. So let's add our $10. And let's see how much we have. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So for birthdays, we have 170 at the current moment, which is gonna be gone soon because my boyfriend's birthday coming up. I say this in every single video, by the way. Who cares? It's my channel. Hello. So next we are adding $5 to my daughter's little envelope right here. So let's see. $5 adding to my daughter makes her left with 20, 30, 40. So she had $40 in her little envelope right now. And I do see a lot of people in the comments saying that I've motivated y'all and you guys have wanting to start a channel for the longest in regards to budgeting, and you guys just haven't found the courage. But I do want to say I think you guys should go for it. What's the worst that could happen? Go for it. Go for it. Watch my video that I posted about how I got to 1,000 subscribers in 10 days. Watch that video. I've left a lot of tips that I use on my channel that I've gotten results from. So as long as we're basically doing what I'm saying and following the tips that I left in that video, I'm sure you're gonna get some kind of results. So try it, guys. Try it. And for all you guys who want to do cash stuffing videos or want to start to stuff cash and stuff like that, don't be scared. Like, go for it. Life is too short, baby. Life is short. We here today, we gone tomorrow. We don't know where we're about to be. So go for whatever you want to go for in life. Don't be scared. Go for it. You never know. So next I have my mother. I am adding $5 to my mom's envelope today. So that's going to leave her with 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. So my mama is at $100. Don't tell her, because she's gonna want me to send it to her now, which I'm trying to put it away for her birthday. Her birthday's in May, next month. So I want to make sure I have some cash I could just send it to her for her birthday. So next we are going into self-care. And for self-care, we are adding $10 to self-care today. And for self-care, we currently have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 35. We have 135 in self-care. So pretty soon, I might go get a massage or something. I don't know. Cosmetics, we're not adding anything today. Clothing, we're not adding anything today. But we are adding something into travel. Because y'all know I want to take a trip. I've been working so hard. I need to take a little vacation. So let's add $5 into travel. So travel now has 20, 30, 45. What vacation can I get with $45? Someone please put me on. I'm playing. I'll get there soon. I ain't worried. And that is all we are going to do for sinking funds today. That was a lot. I try to put a little here and there, and trust me, when you put a little here and there, it adds up. Because I'm looking at birthdays and I'm looking at self-care, and I'm just like, whoa, where did y'all get so high? When did y'all even pass 100? Surely adds up. Next, we are jumping into our saving challenge binder, because you know we have to save a little something. So y'all know we finished the 500 challenge, the 300 challenge. So now we are currently on the $200 challenge. Remember, you can get these on my website. Go order them. I have them in digital copies and I have them in printed. So for saving challenge, we are adding $30. It is in increments of 10, so we're going to shade 3 boxes and put our $30 in our envelope. So let's get to the shading. Woo! I love Judy's challenges. They work so much and I go through them so fast. Like, I be going through them without even realizing. You don't have to do it like, oh, I do it. I kind of do it organized. I try to go one challenge at a time. A lot of people do multiple challenges at a time, but for me, I feel like I like to be a little bit more organized, and I would like to finish one first before I jump to the next one, and then I have pieces all over the place. It's just a preference of mine. I prefer to do mine not all over the place. So some people do it like this, others do it the other way. But whatever way works for you, you have to think about what works for you when it comes to budgeting. Don't try to be like everybody else. We are all using the same method, like cash budgeting, but you can do what works for you as a person, you know? You don't want to follow and just try to work with whatever works for everybody else. So we have the $30 here that we're adding to our $200 challenge. I wonder how fast I could finish this challenge. What y'all think? Y'all think I'm just gonna jet through it like the $300 one? We'll see. Okay. So I missed something. Whoops. Oh my God. I missed something out of sinking funds, y'all. I missed a $5 out of sinking funds. And this $5 was going to go to birthdays. Instead of $10 in birthdays, I was supposed to have 15, and I added 10. So let's add the other 5. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75. So now we have 75 in birthdays. My bad, y'all. I'm so sorry. I wasn't paying attention. Okay, so 175 in birthdays is what we have. This basically completes our stuffing for today. And I'll see y'all for the rest of the month for the other 2 stuffings that I got coming up, because I'm going to get paid off my website of the orders, and I'm also going to do my clients that I have coming up, and I have my part-time job payment coming up as well. So actually I might have 3 more stuffings for the month. Y'all understand what I'm saying, right? Like, I don't have a paycheck every week, every 2 weeks. So I don't stuff week 1 paycheck, week 2 paycheck, week 3, week 4. I don't do it like that. I can't do it like that. My money's all over the place. So I have 3 more stuffings left for April. But you guys will know when all April stuffings are completed, because I'm going to do the closeout. So don't get mad at me in the comment section if you're a little confused. I hope I cleared it up a little bit. But thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I will see you guys in the next video.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count.